Hello dear students. In our previous video, we saw how you can create a merge request. In this video, we'll see how actually merge requests appear to the person who is managing the repository or the repository owner. So as you can see, I have my main account logged in, and when I see here, I can find that I have a merge request. I'll check that, and you can see the title of the merge request and its details, and I can see who has created it. Now I'll check that merge request. It says it is ready to merge, but let me check out what changes have been made. So I'll click the changes tab, and I can see that these lines have been added. Okay, so this is what this particular change was. Now that I'm sure that I want this change in my repository, I can go back and now I can actually approve this particular merge request. And I can merge it. Now you can see that this merge request has been accepted. That means the contribution that was submitted has been accepted. Let us verify that. Let us check our repository. Let us check the index. Let us check the README. As you can see, the changes have been accepted. Now this change and similar other contributions will be accepted using merge request. For the next submissions, I would request you all to follow these two videos and create your requests. Thank you.